In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove user from channel in Slack. By the end, you'll know the exact place to click and what to expect, so you can keep your channels tidy and focused. First, open Slack and head straight to the channel where you want to make the change. Make sure you're in the correct conversation, because removals apply only to the channel you have open, not to your entire workspace. Also keep in mind that you'll need the right permissions set by your workspace administrators to remove someone. If you don't see the option later, that's usually the reason. Once you're in the channel, look to the top right of the Slack window for the People icon. It's the icon that shows the channel members and opens the channel details pane. Click that icon. A side panel appears on the right, and you'll see the member list for this channel. If the channel has a lot of people, use the search field in that panel to quickly find the person you're targeting. This helps avoid scrolling and ensures you're selecting the right person. Next, hover over the person's name in that member list and look for the three-dot More Actions menu beside it. Click those three dots to reveal available actions for that member. This menu is where Slack groups member-specific options, so you'll use it anytime you need to manage someone's status in the channel. From the menu, choose Remove from Channel. Slack may prompt you to confirm, which is normal. After you confirm, the person immediately loses access to the channel and won't see new messages or files shared there going forward. Their past messages remain in the conversation history, so your channel's context and record stay intact. If it's a private channel, they won't be able to rejoin unless someone invites them again. And just to clarify, removing someone from a channel does not deactivate their Slack account or remove them from your workspace. It only affects this one channel. If you need to add them back later, you can invite them the same way you would invite any member. If you don't see the Remove from Channel option, double-check your role and any workspace or channel restrictions. Some organizations limit who can remove members, especially in public or compliance-sensitive channels. That's all there is to it. Open the channel, click the People icon to view members, use the three-dot menu next to the person's name, and select Remove from Channel. Thanks for watching, and keep your Slack channels organized and